stock ticker symbol RJETQ, currently at 20 cents. Looking at it right away, obviously it's a Q stock. You've got these, go ahead and drop some volume. So this volume bars have been staying really steady. Let's see what happens today, because where you're at right now, it looks like the volume is going to start dropping off of where you're at. I would just go ahead and put a hold on this one and see if the 30-day simple moving average holds and it starts going sideways from there at 1649 is my personal opinion on this one. I go ahead and add that into here. Again, at 0.20, hold and see if, let's go with 16.1675 holds from here. That is all I have to add for this one. Joe, what do you got?
All right, so it's Republic Airways Holdings. So I'm just going to look at their latest news. So on November 17th, they had a press release. It was Republic Airways files plan of reorganization, intends to emerge from Chapter 11 in quarter 1, 2017. So Republic Airways Holdings Incorporated today announced that it filed its plan of reorganization. The plan and the related disclosure statement in the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York. The plan sets course for the company to emerge during the first quarter of 2017 and was filed with full support of the creditors committee. The plan outlines the company will emerge as a single air carrier operating the world's largest fleet of E-170, E-175 aircraft under the Republic Airline Incorporated name. The disclosure statement further discusses the significant operational and economic benefits the company has achieved in Chapter 11, including the renegotiation and extension of its capacity purchase agreements with American, Delta, and United. Favorable amendments to all core supplier and service agreements, the accelerated removal of out-of-favor aircraft, and the restructuring of the debt on over 80 E-Jet aircrafts. Collectively, the accomplishments achieved in Chapter 11 will significantly streamline the company's operations, enhance its competitiveness, allow for new E-175 deliveries for United beginning in April of 2017, and ensures the company has access to adequate liquidity to support its long-range business plan. So I'm just going to read this one statement as well. Today announced illustrates what a team can accomplish when it's focused on delivering an exceptional experience for its customers and associates. We have achieved each of the restructuring goals set at the onset of this case while restoring our airline to a level of operational excellence unmatched in our industry, said Brian Bedford, Republic's Chief Executive Officer. The airline has achieved a 99.7% controllable completion rate in 2016 and exceeded that level of performance in quarter 4. These collective results are true testaments to our people and how committed they are to the continued transformation of our airline.
Right.
So it was Chapter 11. So one sec right here. With Chapter 11s, right? So filing Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection simply means that the company is on the verge of bankruptcy, but believes that it can once again become successful if it's given the opportunity to reorganize its assets, debts, and business affairs. So I'm reading this over on Investopedia. Although the Chapter 11 reorganization process is complex and expensive, most companies, if given the choice, prefer Chapter 11 to other bankruptcy provisions, such as Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, which cease company operations lead to total liquidation and asset creditors. Filing Chapter 11 give companies one last opportunity to be successful. So that is that. So it was Chapter 11 that they filed. And then obviously they went through this bankruptcy, and we will see where they go soon enough.
Okay.
I mean, they're already up right now at 8.7% today
Right.
at 20 cents.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that is
It's not like they're not a real small company. You know what I mean? They have a lot of airlines and everyone else.
Right.
So they're going to be structurally sound.
RJETQ, Joe gave you a pretty decent size rundown of you know, what's going on a little bit, but I mean, you can always keep going. So RJETQ, if you're interested in this one, you follow this one, head over to investorshangout.com.